Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to cash out Pepe Coin on Defi Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is open the Defi Wallet on your phone and then just log in if needed. Once you're here on the home page, you can see that there is a send button. But before we can do that, you still have to convert or swap your coin here to USDT in order for you to cash out your Pepe Coin on Defi Wallet. So to do that, you just have to tap on that browser at the bottom. And once you do that, you can scroll up to the bottom to see this sushi swap. You can use this one in order for you to swap your coin or Bitcoin, whatever that is in your wallet, to USDT. So once you're done doing that, you just have to go back here and then tap on send. And now you will be redirected to this page where you have to tap the coin that you want to use. And then you just have to provide the wallet address of the wallet that you want to withdraw your Pepe Coin to. And you have to double check everything before you confirm. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!